to get the Samsung Messages app on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to the Galaxy Store over here. Once you open the Galaxy Store, we're going to use the search button in the upper right corner. Then over here at the bottom, we're going to use the search field, and you can type Samsung Messages. There we go, Messages. And you should be able to find the app over here. You can use the download button on the right side, or you can tap on the app in order to find more details, and you can use the install button at the bottom of the screen. Once the app is installed, you should be able to open it pretty easily either from here. You should be able to find the open button in the app, or you can just go to the app drawer and find the app installed in this place. Of course, once you install the app and once you open it for the first time, you will have to set it up. So we should be able to open it, grant all the necessary permissions, press OK over here, and if you want to use the app, switch from Google Messages to the Samsung Messages app to be used as the default messaging app, and we're gonna tap on Set as Default. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.